आज हम काइनेटिक थ्योरी थर्मोडायनेमिक्स स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। आईआईटी जेम, जेस्ट, टीआईएफआर, एमएससी एंट्रेंस, ठीक है, जिसमें आप सबसे पहले हम चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे थर्मोडायनेमिक्स। फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट में सबसे पहले आती है सिस्टम्स। व्हाट इज सिस्टम्स? The system can be any object, region of space, etc. selected for study and set apparent mentally for everything else, which then becomes surrounding. The system of interest in thermodynamics are finite and macroscopic rather than microscopic. The imaginary envelope which encloses a system and separates it from its surrounding is called the boundary of the system. Okay. उसके बाद आता है आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम. इट कैन नॉट एक्सचेंज आइदर मैटर और एनर्जी विद द सराउंडिंग. If exchange of matter is allowed, the system is said to be open. If only energy and not matter is closed but not isolated. आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम में क्या होता है, ना ही तो एनर्जी का एक्सचेंजमेंट होता है और ना ही मैटर सराउंडिंग के साथ में. फिर उसके बाद थर्मोडाइनमिक स्टेट. ए थर्मोडाइनमिक स्टेट इज ए सेट ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए थर्मोडाइनमिक सिस्टम that must be specified to reproduce the system. Thermodynamics state is the microscopic condition of a thermodynamic system as described by its particular thermodynamics parameters such as temperature, pressure, volume and density. State function. The state function, also called state variable, are those thermodynamic variables that describe the momentary condition of thermodynamic systems. For a continuous process, such variables are exact differential, also fully determined by their initial and final thermodynamical state. Example includes entropy, pressure, temperature, volume. इंटेंसिव एंड एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज़. इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या होती हैं? इट इज़ ए फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए सिस्टम that does not depend on the system size or the amount of material in system. It is scale invariant. एग्जाम्पल हो गए केमिकल पोटेंशियल, डेंसिटी, विस्कोसिटी, रेसिस्टिविटी, स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी, प्रेशर, इलास्टिसिटी, मैग्नेटाइजेशन, velocity, acceleration, temperature, etc. Extensive properties. It is additive for independent non-interacting subsystems. It is directly proportional to the amount of material in the system. इसके एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे एनर्जी, एंट्रोपी, गिब्स एनर्जी, मास मोमेंटम, वॉल्यूम, चेंज, वेट. Note, if f and g are arbitrary intensive variable, then f upon g, df upon dg and f plus g will also be intensive variable. If f and g are two arbitrary extensive variable, then f plus g will be extensive variable, but f upon g and df upon dg will be intensive. If f is extensive variable and f is intensive variable, then small f and capital F upon small f and df upon df will be extensive variable. इसके बाद आते हैं आइडियल गैस. The ideal gas law in the equation of a state of a hypothetical ideal gas, it is derived from kinetic theory and statistics, the Boyle's and Charles law. The state of the amount of ideal gas is determined by its pressure P and volume V and temperature T. The ideal gas equation of a state for n mol is given by PV equals to nRT. Very important equation. PV equals to nRT, where R is gas constant and is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse। आज की वीडियो में हम इतना ही देखते हैं। कल हम लॉज ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को कवर करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।